Hi everyone, welcome to IT Academy. This is Shiva. A new batch on Google Flow Data Engineering is getting started from April 6th. So in this video, I'll be giving you the details about from where you can join and the course content and everything that's needed. Okay. So stay till the last of the video so that you'll be getting all the details, right? So firstly, from where you can join, and the batch is starting from April 6th. It will be a daily batch. Okay. Let me go back to my OneNote. Yeah. So the batch will be starting from April 6th. Okay. Where is my yeah. April 6th, and it will be daily batch. From morning 7 to we'll be having 8:15. Okay, so you can, it's a Monday to Friday batch. Okay, and the duration will be around 2.5 months sort of. Okay, and there is no need for any registrations. Directly, you can use the link and join the first day. Anyhow, I'll be keeping all the details in the description so that it will be handy for you. And coming to the content, right? Okay, so let's go to our website. Let me start from there. Yep, I27 Academy. Yeah, sorry. Academy. Upcoming batches, and you can go to Google Data Engineer and click on No More, and from here you can download the course content as well. Okay, and let me go back to OneNote. So in this program, right, we'll be starting from the basics. Okay, if you want to convert your career into data engineer, especially Google Data Engineer, so whatever things that are being needed, okay, whether it might be a SQL, it might be a Python, or it might be your Google Cloud services as well. So whatever is needed, so everything is been taken care. At the same time, at the end, we'll be creating at least 3 projects. Okay, I'll be showing you them as well. Okay, if you go to the content, right? Okay, so let me show the content. So I'll be starting from the basics, and yeah, at a very high level, we'll be covering BigQuery, Cloud Composer, Dataproc, PySpark, Cloud PubSub sort of thing, and Dataflow and Bigtable. So whatever you see here will be part of your complete end-to-end program. And lastly, if you see, we are trying to cover at least 3 projects in different domains. One is e-commerce, banking, and healthcare, so that you'll be well versed with different domains and technologies. Okay. So if you want to be, I mean, you can go to the complete document. Anyhow, if you have any questions and all, you can come to the first session. Okay. Or if you have any questions regarding the link or any sort of other things, you can contact me on this number, or you can ping me or WhatsApp me as well. If you're interested uh, uh, to start your career in data engineer, especially Google Data Engineer, I strongly recommend you to attend the first 2 sessions. And here the link remains the same for first class and second class as well. So this same link will be available for the first 2 classes. If you're interested, do join the demo classes. If you're comfortable, then you can enroll to the program. Okay. And meanwhile, if you have any questions, right, you can just contact me on this given number as well. Okay. And from the for the course content, you can directly get it from here. Courses, Google Data Engineer, and click on the download course content, and you should be able to download. Okay. So that's it, guys. And see you in the first session on April 6th at 7 a.m. IST. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye.